Sino siya? Ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng ganyan. Sino siya? Pag nakitang gumiling talagang manggigigil ka. Tara, aba, galing-galing mo, galaw na gusto ko. Sige, igiling, igiling, wag hihinto. Galing-galing mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, igiling, wag hihinto. Galing-galing, ay pa. Galing-galing, ay pa. Galing-galing, sige. Galing-galing, ay pa. Sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang
Okay na to. Ano nga ba eclipse? Tara, tingnan muna natin ang learning objectives.
You will be able to define a lunar eclipse and a solar eclipse. You will develop critical thinking skills by evaluating different sources of information about eclipses. You will be able to know what are the different trivias about the solar and lunar eclipse.
Let's define first what is eclipse. An eclipse is an event that occurs when an astronomical object is temporarily hidden either by passing into the shadow of another body or by having another body pass between it and the viewer. Eclipse has two types. The first one is solar eclipse and the second one is the lunar eclipse.
So, bakit nga ba nagkakaroon or nangyayari ang eclipse? Eclipse occur when the sun, earth, and moon align, causing one celestial body to cast a shadow on another, resulting in either a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse.
So guys, what is lunar eclipse? Pag sinabi nating lunar eclipse ay ito yung type ng eclipse which is meron tayo ditong arrangement na sun, earth, and moon. Kung saan yung light rays na binibigay ng sun ay directly traveling to the atmosphere of the earth, which is pagka napunta sa moon ay magkakaroon ng optical illusion sa kabilang side ng earth, which is nagkakaroon tayo ng lunar eclipse, which is yung kulay red nagiging bloody moon, nagiging minsan kulay blue. Ayun, yun yung mga example ng isang lunar eclipse.
Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occur when the sun, the moon, and the earth line up, either fully or partially, depending on how they align. Eclipse provide a unique existing view of either the sun or the moon. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, casting a shadow in the earth that either fully or partially blocks the sunlight in some areas. This only happens occasionally because the moon doesn't not orbit in an exact same place as the sun and earth do. The time when they are aligned is known as eclipse season, which happens twice a year.
The three types of solar eclipses are total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, and annular solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse happens when the moon only covers a portion of sun, making it appear as if a bite has been taken out of it. This occurs when the alignment is not perfect and the observer is outside the path of totally. Ang partial solar eclipse ay nangyayari kapag bahagyang natatakpan ng buwan ang araw. Annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon covers the center of the sun but leaves a bright ring or ring of fire around it. This happens when the moon is farther from Earth in its orbit, making it appear smaller than the sun, so it doesn't block it completely. Ang annular solar eclipse ay nangyayari kapag ang buwan ay nasa malayong bahagi ng orbit nito at hindi lubusang natatakpan ang araw. Ito ay nag-iiwan ng isang maliwanag na ring of fire. Total solar eclipse occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, blocking its light entirely for a short period. This happens only when the moon is at the right distance from Earth and aligns perfectly with the sun. During totally, the sun's corona or outer atmosphere becomes visible. Ang total solar eclipse ay nangyayari kapag ganap na natatakpan ng buwan ang araw.
Total lunar eclipse. Sa total lunar eclipse, ang buong buwan ay pumapasok sa umbra. Ang buwan ay magiging madilim ngunit hindi ganap na mawawala. Sa halip ito ay magiging kulay kahel o pula dahil sa liwanag ng araw na dumadaan sa atmosphere ng Earth. Ang kulay ng buwan ay depende sa kondisyon ng atmosphere ng Earth. Partial lunar eclipse. Sa ganitong uri ng lunar eclipse, bahagi lamang ng buwan ang pumapasok sa pinakamadilim na bahagi ng anino ng Earth na tinatawag ng umbra. Ang buwan ay nagmumukhang parang kagat ng isang halimaw dahil sa bahagi ng buwan na natatakpan ng anino. Penumbra lunar eclipse. Ito ang pinakamahinang uri ng lunar eclipse. Ang buwan ay dumadaan sa panlabas na bahagi ng anino ng Earth na tinatawag na penumbra. Dahil dito, bahagyang nagdidilim ang buwan ngunit hindi ito ganap na nawawala. Mahirap makita ng mata ang penumbra lunar eclipse.
A solar eclipse can only happen during a new moon phase because this is the only time when the moon is positioned directly between the sun and Earth, allowing it to cast its shadow on Earth and partially or fully block the sun's light from our view. Ancient civilization generally viewed solar eclipses as signs of a bad luck due to the disruption of the natural order represented by the sun being obscured, often interpreting it as a sign of anger from their deities or a foreboding event for the future. Eclipses can occur when the sun, moon, and earth align. Lunar eclipses can happen only during a full moon, when the moon and sun are on opposite sides of earth. At that point, the moon can move into the shadow cast by Earth, resulting in a lunar eclipse. The moon turns red during an eclipse because of how the sun's light interacts with the Earth's atmosphere. As it hits the atmosphere, shorter wavelengths of light such as the color blue are scattered outwards. Longer wavelengths like red, however, are bent or refracted into Earth's umbra. The good thing about all types of lunar eclipse is that unlike a solar eclipse, they are safe to view with the naked eye. This is because lunar eclipses only reflect sunlight. They don't get any brighter than a full moon, which you've probably safely observed many times before.